Hi, it's Barry Scott of the Lost 45s. I want you to dance Friday, March 24th at the legendary Rockingham Ballroom. We are going to have a party night out, which I think you deserve and you need. So let's review some dance moves.
Everybody knows the shoulder shimmy. There's the nod. You can't forget about the wave, both internal and external. The thumbs up. And of course, everyone's favorite, the robot.
Don't miss your chance to show us your dance moves at Dance Through the Decades at the legendary Rockingham Ballroom in Newmarket, Friday, March 24th.